Hello student. Today we will see what is extreme weather concreting. Extreme weather concreting means con- performing concreting operations in either hot weather or in cold weather. Hot weather concreting, in this the concreting operations are performed at temperature about 40 degrees centigrade. IS code 7861 part 1 1975 gives information about hot weather concreting, that is code of practice for extreme weather concreting part 1, recommended practice for hot weather concreting. The effects of hot weather on concreting are increased water demand, increased rate of slump loss, that means loss of workability, increased rate of setting, increased tendency for plastic shrinkage cracking, decreased 28-day and later strength, greater variability in surface appearance, increased permeability, rapid rate of hydration, and critical need for early curing. These are the effects of hot weather on concreting. To minimize these effects on concreting, one should take the precautions like keeping equipment such as mixers, chutes, wheelbarrows, etc. in the shade or covering it to reduce it will reduce the effect of sun's heat. Forms, reinforcing steel, and subgrade should be sprinkled with cool water just before the concrete is placed. Weighting down the area cools the surrounding air and decreases the relative humidity. This not only reduces the temperature but also minimizes the evaporation of water from the concrete. Stockpiles should be shaded from the sun and kept moist by sprinkling water. Since evaporation is cooling process, sprinkling provides effective cooling, especially when the relative humidity is low. Painting of mixers with white color, use of low heat cement, replace some percentage of the mixing water by ice, efficient workforce, employ efficient workforce and machinery to improve the handling, to increase the rate of all the operations like batching, mixing, transporting, placing and compaction. Then cold weather concreting. When concreting is done in a period when the average daily ambient temperature is below 5 degrees centigrade for more than 3 successive days. Indian Standard Code IS 7861 Part 2 1981 give information about cold weather concreting. Standard Code of Practice for Extreme Weather Concreting Part 2 recommended practice for cold weather concreting. The effect of cold weather on concreting are concrete can freeze before it gains strength, which breaks up the matrix. Concrete sets more slowly when it is cold. Freezing and ice crystals. Slower strain gain. Delay the removal of formwork, that means delay in entire construction activity. Cracking. Cracking also increases in cold weather. Then precautions to be taken in cold weather concreting are heat the materials. Heating aggregates is an option when there are extremely cold temperatures at the construction site. Strong consideration should be given to heating formwork. Use accelerating admixtures. Accelerating admixtures do not prevent concrete from freezing, but they will accelerate the setting and hardening process. Examples of these admixtures are calcium chloride, sodium nitrate, and calcium nitrate. However, calcium chloride should not be used in reinforced concrete. Delayed stripping of formwork. It is recommended that the formwork be left in position for as long as practical to protect the concrete from frost. Assess subgrade temperature. The temperature of the subgrade must be taken into consideration. Do not place concrete on frozen subgrade. Cement quantity. Increasing the quantity of cement, that means using rich concrete, can significantly increase the rate of strength gain. Cement type. High early strength cement will gain strength more rapidly than OPC. Low water cement ratio. Having less water in the mix will increase the rate of strength gain. Curing. All concrete should be cured to ensure that it achieves its maximum potential strength and durability. Reduce time between mixing and placing. This will minimize the drop in temperature of the concrete. Hot water. Using hot water in the mix will raise the temperature of the concrete, which in turn accelerates the rate at which the cement hydrates. The temperature of mixing water should not exceed 70 degrees centigrade. Now, these are the questions which are oftenly asked in MSBT theory examination of concrete technology subject. What do you mean by hot weather concreting? What do you mean by cold weather concreting? What are the effects of hot weather on concreting? What are the effects of cold weather on concreting? What precautions will you take while concreting in hot weather? What precautions will you take while concreting in cold weather? So this completes our small topic, concreting in extreme weather conditions. Thank you.